Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in the last class, we have done the sine rule and the cosine rule. Now we are just going to go for the area of a triangle and the bearings. We are doing the bearings because we are mostly get the questions of bearings with the trigonometric questions. That's why. So let's see how to start it. So for example, if you have to find the area of a triangle, we have to use two formulas. The first one, let's say we have a triangle, any triangle. This is the triangle A, B, and C. We have to find the area of a triangle. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 product of two sides into side of their included angle. This is the main formula. If you have to use this formula when two sides and one included angle is going to be angle is given. For example, we have this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. The side opposite to A is small a, opposite to B is small b, opposite to C is small c. So the formula is going to become area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 product of any two sides. For example, if you are going to take a side A and B. So look at here, the included angle between A and B is C. So sine of C. Just like you have to tell me if I'm going to be take a triangle 1 by 2, I'm going to be take a side BC. What is the included angle? Just like what is the included angle between the side BC? Yes, Fajar?
Sir, A, capital A.
Yeah. The included angle between B and C side is that is angle A. And the next formula we have to 1 by 2. We are going to take the sides A and C. So what is the included angle between A and C? Yes, Ibrahim.
Capital. Sir, it's capital B.
Okay. Yes, Mirza Bihar. What is the included angle between A and C? Yes, sir. What is the included angle between A side and C side? 20. That is B. Just give me 1 minute, guys. All right, so look at here. We have to be basically, this is the main statement that we need to be memorize and understand. If you have to find the area of any triangle, we need two sides and their included angle. If you have these information, you can easily find the area of a triangle. The other formula that we have to use to find the area of a triangle is area of triangle is 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. You have to use this formula when the base and the height is given. Now the question was, what is base and what is the height? The simplest thing is the base and the height are going to be perpendicular. That's it. Base and height always perpendicular. If you have to see that the two sides in a triangle are going to be making a 90-degree angle, so you can take anyone as a base and the second one as a height. Look at here, for example, if I'm just going to be making a triangle. So I'm just going to draw this height. So look at here, this is the side of a triangle, and this is in this side, it is going to be making a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to be take any side as a base. Let's say I have to take this one as a base. Mostly we are going to be take the horizontal side as a base and the vertical side as going to be the height. So this triangle can be look like this. It can be a right angle triangle. So again here you can take any side as a base and the other side is going to be as a height when you are finding the area of a triangle. Yes, everyone, the both formulas for the area of triangle is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, obviously I did not mention it there. We have one more thing, that is the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of triangle, that is simply sum of all sides is going to be equal to a perimeter. For example, if I'm just going to draw a triangle, let's say it is A, it is B, it is C. So it is A plus B plus C. That is the perimeter. Perimeter is basically the length of the boundary. A plus B plus C, that is the perimeter of. All right, now let's see, have to start the questions. Yes, any question up to here?
Yes.
And everyone, please note down these formulas on your notebook. Just the highlighted part. Note down the highlighted part of your notebook. So what about, obviously we will do the bearings, but first of all, we are going to be do some questions of area, and then we have to go for bearings. Yes, everyone, you have note down? Only the
Sir.
highlighted part.
Yes, sir.
We have to use the first formula if the two sides and included angle is given, and we have to use this formula when the base and the height is going to be given. So let's we have to start the practice the questions. So now we have the question number one, in which he says that you have to find the area of a triangle. Yes, yes, sir. How we can find it?
So it will be the base, which is 6 centimeter.
One will be the
For the
base
height,
and one will be the height, because they both are having a 90-degree angle, or simply it's a right angle triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base multiplied by
base and the height.
what is base? 6, and the height
6,
is going to be
12.
2 times 6 is 12. We will get 6 multiplied by 6, that will be 36
36.
centimeter square. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we have to go for the next question. Yes, Abaz Akram. We have to calculate the area of this triangle. How we can find it? We have three sides. Abaz Akram. Yes, Mirza Abiyad.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we should do first half, and we have to multiply by base, multiply by height. Then we have to put
What is the
sine.
base?
So the base is 7.2.
And the height is 5.4. So we have the area is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2 base is 7.2 and the height is
5.4.
5.4. Yes, please find the angle, find the area. Yes, that will be equal to
19.44.
19.44?
Yes, sir.
19.44 centimeter square. All right, again.
So then we have to put 19.44 multiplied by sine of 9.
Sine 9 means
Yes, sir.
19.44. You have to say sine 9 means. All right. Just forward. Okay, so we have the next question is yes, Anisha, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We need to find the area of a triangle. How we can find it?
Um, so it's two triangles, right?
We are going to take it as one. Yeah, you can take it as two as well, or you can take as a whole as one as well. Look at here, I have to make a triangle like this. If you have a triangle like this, so the height can be it can become like this. Means you have the height of a triangle, the side that is going to be at down, that will be the base. So we are going to use the same technique. Look at here, this is the side of a triangle, and this side is
So
making
how
a
can
90-degree
I
angle
do
with it. So
half times
yeah, it is
half
base five.
times what?
Yeah, half is it is equal to half of base into height. So base is 10 centimeter and height is
Half centimeters.
5 centimeter. It will be 1 by 2. It is going to be 10 multiplied by 5. 5 times 2 times 5 is 10. You will get 5 multiplied by 5. So it will be 25 centimeter square. And the thing that you are going to be say that we have to make a two triangles. So if obviously if you are going to be take a two triangles, so you are going to be get the same. But the problem was you don't have the side this length. You don't have this side. You need to be find this side first. Okay. First of all, you have to find this one, and obviously, maybe you have to use the Pythagoras theorem because we have two sides. You have to find a third one, so you can use the Pythagoras theorem, but that is the lengthier method. So you can take the triangle as a whole. We have the height, we have the base. Just use the formula this one. Okay. But the thing that you have to say that we have to be take two triangles. We can go by that way as well, but that is the lengthiest one.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yes, I Asif. You have to be tell me for the next one.
Yes.
Yes. Which side is base and which is height?
Base is 16,
The base is going to be 16 and the height is
7.
7. Because we just have to take a vertical height. Because if you have to extend it, these two sides are going to be making a 90-degree angle. You don't have to take a full length. Why? Because you have to take a length of a triangle. So this is the triangle. If you will take it up to here, this is not the part of a triangle. All right? And you need the vertical height, and that is 7 centimeter. So area of a triangle is 1 by 2, base multiplied by height. The base is 16 multiplied by height, that is 7. 2 times 8 is 16. Yes, 8 multiplied by 7 will be
56.
50
56.
centimeter.
Yeah.
Yes. Up to here, I just try my best. I just discuss the different shapes that you are going to be get in the exam. You will get this type of shape in which you have to find the base and the height. The shape can be look like this, or it can going to be very simple one. Simple right angle triangle. Now we have to go for the next question. Yes, Shayan Zafar, you have to be tell me about this one. First of all, tell me what is base and what is height here.
The base is 35 centimeter.
And the height is?
Height is x.
Height is x. How we know that which is height, which is? We are just going to be check that they are making a 90-degree angle or not. All right. So in this one, it is a different question in which we, as area is given, you have to find the height. Yes, Shayaz Zafar, what is the formula?
It's going to be half base times height.
Area is equal to half of base into height. Area is given, that is 455.
455 is equal to
1 by
half
2. Base is,
base, 35
and the
and
height is. Now 2 is dividing. On the other side, it will be multiply. 35 is multiplying. It will be divide.
so 455 times 2. 910 divided by 2.
Yes. What is the final answer?
It will be 455. Oh
Sorry?
wait, never mind. So it will be
26.
26.
26.
26 centimeters. So the height of this triangle is 26.
26.
All right. So next we have to go for the next one. Yes, Mlaika. Tell me about this one. Yes, Fajar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have to
Sir, the
find
base
the
is
area of
50.
field, which is height, which is base.
Sir, the base is 50 and the height
The
is
base
14.
is, the base is 50. I told you, look at here, the condition. The base and the height always perpendicular. Perpendicular means making a 90-degree angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So look at this picture. 50 meters is making a 90-degree angle with any other side.
What, sir?
50 meter is making a 90-degree angle with any side.
Yes, sir, with 48.
What is the angle between 48 and 50?
14.
Angle. I'm talking about angle. Angle. We are not sure. You have to be find that which side is going to be base and which is height. You have only one condition. They are making a 90-degree angle. So clearly, we don't have a 90-degree angle between these two sides or between these two sides. We have the 90-degree angle between these two sides, between 14 and 48. So you have to take one side as a base and second one as a height. You can do the reverse as well. You can take this one as a height and this one as a base. Okay. The condition was
Yes.
same. The both are making a 90-degree angle. Clear? Yes, tell me how you can find the area.
So it will be 1 over 2 into 14 into 48.
1 by 2 into 14 into 48. Yes, that will be equal
So
to
into 2 it was, yes, 2.
336.
Sir, 336.
336 centimeter cube.
Square.
Yes, everyone, it is clear that all of you, you have to be look for the sides. They are making a 90-degree angle. Clearly, 50 is not making a 90-degree angle with any other sides. All right, so let's go for the next one. Yes, Claudia, you have to be telling me about this one. First of all, read the question.
The area of the square is twice the area of the triangle. Calculate the length of each side of the square.
He says that the area of a square is going to be equal to twice the area of a rectangle. So first of all, tell me what is the area of square? Area of square is equal to
Uh, length multiplied by height.
length multiplied by width or length multiplied by height. Length and width are going to be same. So simply length square. For example, if it is L, it is L, it is L, it is L. So L multiplied by L, that will be L square. Now the condition was given the area of a square is twice the area of triangle. So we have to find the area of triangle first. Yes, which is the side is going to be base and which is the height?
16 is base and 4 is height.
Okay, you can do the reverse as well. You can take this one as base and this one as a height. You just have to look for the condition they are making a 90-degree angle. But mostly we are taking horizontal as a base and vertical as a height, but that is not necessary. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
we have area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. 1 by 2 base is 16 and the height is 4. Yes, the final answer is
32.
8 times 4 is 32 centimeter square. Now we are just going to be work on the given condition. The condition is, it says that the area of a square is twice the area of a rectangle. Means area of square is equal to twice the area of triangle. We know that area of a square is the length square. Obviously, we don't know the value. Is equal to 2 times area of triangle, that is 32. Yes. Yes, everyone. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we have L square is equal to 64. Now we have to find the length. To remove the square, we are just going to take a square root on both sides. So we'll get the length is equal to, yes, 64 is the square of
8.
8. Obviously, it is plus and minus, but we are talking about the length. So we are just going to take a positive value. So the length of a square is 8 centimeters. It is 8 centimeters. Yes, everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Yes, Shasir. Look at the question. Tell me how we can find the area of a triangle.
Sir. Well, use the formula
We have to
1 over
use the
2
formula because we have two sides and we have the
angle.
equilibrium angle. Yes, what is the formula?
1
The
over
area of a
2
triangle is equal to product of two sides into sine of their equilibrium angle. That's why I just say that you have to note down the formulas. Yes. So that will be equal to 1 by 2 product of two sides. So
7
we are going
times
to take a side 7 multiplied by 10 into sine of
into
equilibrium angle.
35. 35.
That is 35. Yes, please find the final answer.
Sir, 20.
So I got 20.
Exactly 20.
20.07.
There is no decimal places.
So 20.07.
20.07. You have to round off, it is 20.08.
20.08.
Okay, at least a round off up to 1 decimal or 2 decimal places. Okay, if the next number is more than 5, so it will be 8. It is clear?
Yes.
Right. Now in the next part, he says that you have to calculate the length of AC. Yes, if anyone knows, we have to find the length AC. What we have to use here? It is from sine rule, cosine rule, maybe trigonometric ratios or Pythagoras. Yes, tell me how we can find the length of AC. Anyone, please raise the hand.
Sorry, cosine rule.
We have to use a sine rule, cosine rule. No. Yes, Ayar.
Pythagoras theorem.
Ayar, it is a right angle triangle.
No.
So we can use a Pythagoras theorem here.
No.
Sir, will it be sine rule?
We have to use a sine rule. How you know that we have to use a sine rule? Recall that we have learned that we have to use a cosine rule when the two sides and the included angle is given. So Yasir, you are right. We have to go for a cosine rule because we have two sides and their included angle. So the statement of a cosine rule is side square is equal to sum of the square of two other sides. So 7 square plus 10 square minus 2 into product of other sides into cos of included angle. And the included angle is 35 degree. All right, everyone, please do practice of sine and cosine rule. That we obviously without that we are not able to do the topic on worksheet. So we have to remove the square. We are going to be take a square root. Yes, please find the final answer. Yes, find the final answer.
Sir,
Yeah,
it will be
5.9.
34.32.
34.32. Any other one, please confirm the answer.
So I got 5.9.
5.9. 34.32. You are taking the square root as well? Oh, well,
No.
I will take the square root. Obviously, there is a square root because we want to remove the square, so we need to take the square root as well. I will check by myself. 7 square plus 10 square minus 2, 7 times 70,
525.
140. 140 cos 35. Working close. Yeah, 5.85. The final answer is 5.85. I think you did not take the square root. That's why you are getting the wrong answer. The final answer is 5.8, and this 5 will become 6 centimeter. Yes, I know it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to go for the next one. Yes, Mirza Bian, can you please tell me about this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how you can find the area?
Professor, so first you have to do half multiplied by base multiplied by height.
Base multiplied by height. Which side is going to be base and which is going to be height?
Oh, sorry, sir.
We have two sides and we have the included angle.
Yes, sir. So we should multiply half
Half into product of
two sides.
two sides into sine of their included
Angle.
angle. Yes, sides are
6.2,
and
4.5. So 4.7.
4.7 into sine of included angle, that is 82.
82.
There is no base, there is no height here. Why? Because there is no side who is going to be making a 90-degree angle. Yes, please find the final answer.
Okay.
Yes, everyone, what is the final answer?
Fourteen point 4 3.
14.43 centimeter square. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Right, now let's see how to go for the next one. Yes, Amaz Akram, are you here now? Amaz Akram. Yes, Anisha.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right. Yes, tell me how we can solve this one. The area of a triangle is given. You have to find the sides. Yes, how we can find it? Yes, if anyone knows, please raise the hand. Yes, anyone have the idea how we can find this angle? Yes, Yasir.
Yes, sir, it will be 2050 equals to 1/2 times 107 times 75 times sine of x. So we can
Yeah,
arrange a
we are
formula.
going to use the formula of area in which the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 product of two sides into sine of their included angle. So area is equal to 1/2 product of two sides into sine of their included angle. So the area is given, that is 2050. 1/2, the product of two sides, that are 107 multiplied by 75 into sine of their included angle. The included angle is given, that is x. So we have to find the value of x. So 2 is dividing here. Or on the other side, it will be multiply. 107 and 75 is multiplying. It will be divide is equal to sine of x. We have to find the angle. Take the sine on the other side. It will be sine inverse. 2050 multiplied by 2 divided by 107 multiplied by 75 is equal to x. Yes, please find the final answer.
So 30.72.
30.72.
72.
Any other one, please confirm the answer.
Yes, sir. 30.72.
30.72 is the angle. Yes, Samuel, it is clear. Obviously, he is going to be give you the information about the area, so you have only two formulas. The first one, 1/2 base multiplied by height. The second one, 1/2 product of two sides into sine of their included angle. So clearly, there is no side that is going to be perpendicular. So means there is no base, there is no height. The second formula for the area is 1/2 product of two sides, the included angles. Look at here. The two sides are given. You have to find the included angle, and the area is also given. In the same way, in the above one, you have the two sides, you have the included angle. So just go for the second formula, 1/2 product of two sides into side of included angle. Only these are the two formulas. With the help, we are going to be find the area. I hope these are going to be clear.
Okay.
Yes, everyone, any question about the area of a triangle till now?
Yes.
No, sir.
All right. So now we are just going to be go for the bearings. Bearings is a short topic, it's not a bigger one. So let's see how to start. Yes, anyone have the idea what is bearing? Yes, anyone have the idea what is bearing?
So is there like some kind of like north line or something?
Yeah. Okay. Dot line. Any other one?
Angle from the north.
Yeah. Angle from north. More accurate. So bearing is not a new thing. The bearing is just a simple angle. Bearing is just a simple angle that we are going to be used to locate the position. For example, there is someone is going to be at the A position, the other one is going to be at the B position. So you want to be tell the position of B with respect to A, or you want to be tell the position of B with respect to position of A with respect to B. Okay, but in this one, in the bearing, we have to use a specific steps. The first one, when you are going to be measure the angle, you always start from the dot. When you are going to be measure the angle, you always start from the dot. The second thing is the bearing. When you are going to be measure the angle, you always measure the angle into clockwise direction. When you have to measure the angle, you always measure the angle in the clockwise direction. The first thing, you have to start from the dot. The second thing, you have to measure clockwise. And the third thing, you always write the answer up to three significant figure. You have to write the answer up to three significant figure. These 3 points are clear. For example, first of all, I'm just going to be draw the dot. So just a minute, I will show the dot. Let's say the dot is upward. And mostly in the questions, the dot is going to be upward, but it is not necessary. In the paper, he is going to be make the dot towards the left side or right side like this as well. For example, if I'm going to say that you have to find the bearing of A from B. From B means you have to be stand on A. You have to be stand on A and take your face towards the dot. It is clear? Because we have to find the bearing of A from B. So you have to be stand on B toward and take your position towards the dot. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
And you have to
Yes, sir.
measure the angle. Obviously, we have to start from the dot and we have to measure clockwise. So we have to move clockwise. We have to move unless we are going to get the position A. Okay? So this means that this is the angle that we need to be find. This is the angle that is bearing of A from B. When he says that from B means you have to stand on B. We have to change the condition. I'm going to just erase it. Let's say it is A position, it is B position. I have to say that you have to be find the bearing of B
Six.
from A. Yes, Fajr?
Explain again because
Yes, Fajr, any question? I can't hear you. Yes, everyone, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I see. Fajar, I think there is a problem from your side in the internet connection. I can't hear you. Okay, now we say he had to find the bearing of B from A. So this means that we have to be stand on A and take the position towards the dot side and measure the angle in the clockwise direction like this. And we have to move until unless we are going to get the position of B. So means this is the angle that we need to be find. This is the angle bearing of B from A. Yes, everyone. Any problem up to here? When he says that in the bearing you have to always start from the north. He says that you have to find the bearing of B from B. So you have to stand on B, take the position towards the north. You have to be measure the angle clockwise. You have to measure the angle clockwise until unless you are going to get the position. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, this is all about bearing. There is no other thing you think. Okay, we are going to be use one property here. We are going to be use angle property, that is allied angle. Allied angles are the angles, for example, if you have two lines, they are going to be parallel, and so these angles are going to be known as the allied angles. They are making a U shape. They are making a U shape formed by two parallel lines. But look at here, when we are going to talk about here, so look at here, these two sides are parallel because we know that it is not as well. So it is a U shape. So these two angles are also the allied angles. Okay. So the property of allied angles is, let's say it is angle A, it is angle B. The sum of the allied angle is always equal to 180 degree. Yes, everyone. It is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, we are obviously we need to be do this property here, so that's why I'm just telling you about one allied angles. This is the property of a parallel lines. If the two lines are parallel, or just simply U shape is going to be made by our two parallel lines. It can be towards left side or right side. It may be upward or downward. Look at here. We are going to make a U shape towards the upward. For example, this angle is going to be 50 degree. So we can find this angle easily. 180 minus 50, that will be 130 degree. Yes, everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's see how to go for the question. All right, now look at here. The bearing of P from B is 180 degree. Means you have to be stand on B towards the north and move till P. This is given, that is 102 degree. This angle is going to be given. He says that you have to find the bearing of B from B. Means we have to be stand on B towards the north, and we are going to be measure the angle into clockwise direction until unless we are going to be get the B position. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes.
It means that we have to find this angle. This is the angle that is the bearing of B from P. Yes, everyone, the question was clear.
Yes.
So we are going to be use the allied angle property. It is 102. We are going to be find this angle 180 minus 102. Yes, that will be
78.
72 degrees.
78.
78. Okay. 70. 78 degrees. All right, and we know that a complete rotation of the angle is always 360. We have to find the bearing. We are just in the whole complete rotation. We are just going to subtract this angle, so we will get the bearing of B from P. Yes, 282. Okay, so 360 minus 78. That is 282 degree. Yes, please check that. It is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's see how to do one more question. He says that the bearing of a ship from a lighthouse is 50 degree. Bearing of a ship at a lighthouse is 50 degree. Work out the bearing of a lighthouse from the ship. Okay, let's see how to draw 2 points. Let's say one is going to be the ship and one is going to be the lighthouse. And we are going to be say that it is a dot. Normally, we always going to be make a dot towards the upward. Okay, I'm not sure this is going to be the shape or it is going to be the light, and I'm also not sure it is going to be the lighthouse or it is going to be the ship. Let me have to check. He says that the ship from a lighthouse is 50 degree, means we have to stand on the lighthouse. The bearing is given that is 50 degree. It is clear? It is 50 degree. Let's I have to take a little bit down so it look like a 50 degree. So if you have to make an angle, this angle is given that is 50 degree. It is a bearing of ship from lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse and bearing of ship. So this means that it is a ship. Yes, everyone. The question was clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes the students are going to be confused that we have to take a ship here. For example, if you are going to be take a ship here, so obviously at this position you are not going to be get the lighthouse. Means let's say you have to. It can be clearly more than it is going to be more angle. For example, if you have to take say that it is a lighthouse, so obviously this is the complete bearing. And clearly this complete bearing is not 50 degree. Yes, everyone, it is clear. In the next part, he says that you have to find the bearing of a lighthouse from ship. Means we have to be stand on the ship. We will stand on the ship and we have to be move clockwise until unless we will take the position of a lighthouse. This means that this is the angle that we need to be find. Yes, everybody, it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, आवाज
Yes,
आ रहा
sir.
है यार इसमें फरीशा हजर. Okay, so it is a 50 degree. So we are going to use the property of the allied angles. So 180 minus 50, so it will be 130 degree. And the complete rotation is going to be 360. So we are going to get the bearing of lighthouse from ship will be equal to 360 minus 130. Yes, that will be equal to
260. 230.
230.
230 degrees. So this is the angle that is going to be 230 degrees. Clear? So look at here in the bearing, there is nothing new, nothing difficult. First of all, you have to be understand that what is bearing. Bearing is just an angle that is used to indicate locate the position of one point with respect to another one. The second thing, when you are going to measure the angle, you always start from the north. You have to start from B, so you have to take the position towards the north side. After taking the position, you have to move in a clockwise direction until unless you are going to be get the that required position. And the second thing, when you are going to be write the answer, you always write the answer to three significant figures. So look at here, I have to write the answer to three significant figure, and I have to write the answer in here up to three significant figure. For example, if you are going to be get the answer is 23 degree, so I will not write 23 degree, I will write 23.0. Okay. For example, if you are going to be write only 23, you are going to be lose 1 marks. Because in the bearing, you always write the answer up to three significant figure. That is necessary. Yes. This point is clear?
Yes.
So this is all about bearing, and the above we have talked about the area of a triangle. We have two formulas of area of triangle. The in which one we have the base and the height, and the second one in which we have two sides and the included angle. I will send you the worksheet. You have to do the questions. If still there is any problem, you have to be let me know. All right.